हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। आज बहुत ही शानदार गुड न्यूज़ है हमारे वेस्टिज के लिए और हम सभी लोग प्राउड करते हैं वेस्टिज पर। हम प्राउड करते हैं मिस्टर गौतम बाली सर जो वेस्टिज के एमडी हैं। आज हमारे बाली सर को एसोचैम का चेयरमैन चुना गया है और जिसको लेकर इस वीडियो के अंदर आपको पूरी जानकारी दी जाएगी कि एसोचैम क्या है। और इसको लेकर हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी संबोधित किया है। आइए जानते हैं किस प्रकार से।
सेक्रेटरी जनरल दीपक सूद जी, एसोचैम के लाखों सदस्यगण, भारतीय उद्योग जगत के दिग्गज, यहां उपस्थित अन्य सभी महानुभाव, देवी और सज्जनों, एसोचैम ने आज एक बहुत अहम पड़ाव पार किया है। 100 वर्ष का अनुभव, व्यक्ति हो या संस्था, बहुत बड़ी पूंजी होता है। भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था तय नियमों से चले, तय लक्ष्यों की तरफ बढ़े, इसके लिए हमने व्यवस्था में आधारभूत परिवर्तन किए हैं, चौतरफा फैसले लिए हैं, उद्योग जगत की दशकों पुरानी मांगों को पूरा करने पर ध्यान दिया है और इसलिए आज $5 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी के लिए एक मजबूत आधार बना है।
To the license Raj, to the most important moment in India's economic history, liberalization. ASSOCHAM has always acted as the formidable backbone of Indian economy. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, economic initiatives are gaining momentum. Initiatives like GST, Inclusive Development, Aadhaar Card, Ayushman Bharat Yojana and Jan Dhan Yojana have resulted in a seismic shift in people's lives and expectations. This time too, we are leaving no stone unturned in synchronizing our efforts with the goals of the nation. For this, we will be focusing on entrepreneurship, bringing to the industry young talent and energy, digitization, to make enterprises more competitive and tech-savvy, women's empowerment, taking it from 3% to double digits in the coming years, and sustainability, taking due care of the environment and resources.
ASSOCHAM has always been a catalyst of a change, and our new vision, which is going to be based on 4 pillars: entrepreneurship, digitization, women empowerment and sustainability, will play an important role in the growth story of New India. Through our collective approach, we will drive our agenda where the drive stands for development of the nation, reorientation towards growth. I is inclusive growth, V for vigor, which is going to be our main in our every approach what we are going to take, and finally the empowerment, which is very, very important and critical for the new generation to take the new India to the newer heights.
Four goals which are within our sight.
अब इस विषय में हम सीधा जानकारी लेंगे गौतम बाली जी से, तो बने रहिए आगे की स्पीच पे।
Aim to do at Vestige as well, where we are catering to the consumers with our personal and healthcare products, inspired and created from nature to facilitate our fast-growing and fast-moving lifestyle. I would like to add one thing over here. In direct selling, majority of the companies have always tried to duplicate the products which are very, very acceptable in the West. But with Vestige, जो हम दुनिया भर में इंडियन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग कंपनी होकर आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, लोगों की जिंदगी बदलना चाहते हैं, उसके अंदर जो हमने बीड़ा उठाया है कि जब हम मेक्सिको में होंगे, जब हम अमेरिका में होंगे, जब हम यूरोप में मार्केट करेंगे, तो हम अपने भारत की तरफ से आयुर्वेद को वहां पे वो दर्जा दिलाएंगे जिसके करके दुनिया उसके लिए पागल हो रही है। मेरे ख्याल से आप सब जानते हैं कि आज के दिन पे अमेरिका के अंदर योगा करने वाले हिंदुस्तान से ज्यादा लोग हैं। So the kind of a craze and the kind of a wealth we have, which is for thousands and thousands years of scientific data which people are adopting now, that's what we want to do, is take our Indian heritage and our culture abroad. We are catering to the growing demand of products which provides the requisite nutrition and benefit to live a healthy life through both online and offline channels of distribution. We aim to leave a mark on the industry through sustainable development and growth in India. We have been doing so far with our CSR initiative through Vestige Heart to Heart Foundation, which caters to education and wellness of underprivileged children in India. Sustainable growth in business through homegrown products is the key for healthy competition in the business. It facilitates our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Make in India, Skill in India and Digital India. We are contributors to making of human capital of the economy. Statistics suggest that over 10 million people are involved in the business opportunity offered by the direct selling industry. It is a growing industry in leaps and bounds of people and income generated for our Indian economy. The next thing which can take the industry to the pinnacle of growth is a clear legislative and regulatory framework governing the industry. Therefore, I request Shri C.R. Chaudhary, Honorable Minister of State for Ministry of Food, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, and his department to support the industry and facilitate us to forming a separate law which will govern and look after the industry. I believe that implementation of such a law governing the industry will help the law enforcing authorities, consumers, business owners in understanding that direct selling is like any other commercial business activity and will differentiate the genuine and the fraudulent players operating under the grab of direct selling. Again, many thanks to the organizers for this event for giving me the opportunity to speak over here. Thank you so much.